This is the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. On this display, you get an LTPO AMOLED, 68 billion colors, 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+. This display has a 1000 nits typical brightness and 3000 nits of peak brightness. This device has a screen-to-body ratio of 89.6% and measures 6.73 inches or 108.9 square centimeters. There is absolutely no buttons on the left side of this device. On the right, you have the volume buttons and the lock button. At the bottom, you have the SIM card tray, the microphone, the USB-C port, and the speaker. The top of this device only has the other speaker for the stereo sound. It has a 32 megapixels front-facing camera, capable of recording HDR panorama, 4K at 30 or 60 frames per second and 1080p at 30 or 60 frames per second. In the back, you have a 50 megapixels wide-angle camera, 50 megapixels telephoto lens, 50 megapixels periscope telephoto lens, and 50 megapixels ultrawide lens. You can record up to 8K 120 frames per second. You get a 90-watt charger with your device, and you can charge 0 to 100% in just 33 minutes. These are just some of the many reasons to choose the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, so let us know in the comments below. Are these good enough reasons to make you consider the Xiaomi 14 Ultra? Like and subscribe for more videos like this, and let me know if you hated it too. Till next time, peace.